Here I have Realme 9 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. By tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add a schedule for this mode, like you can change schedule's name. You can select start time, end time, days on which it will repeat. You can add exceptions to this mode. You can allow notifications in notification drawer, in status bar, in banners, notification banners, lock screen notification, and also notification badges. It could be messages, it could be calls. You can also enable ring for repeat calls, which means if the same person calls you a second time within a 3-minute period, this call will be added to exceptions too. And you can also silence media when Do Not Disturb is on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.